Please be seated. Brynhawnda a croeso I Cardiff. Good morning. No, it isn't, is it? No, it's been a long day, I'll tell you. Good afternoon, graduands. Good afternoon, honoured guests. Welcome to this degree ceremony here in Cardiff. My name's Stuart Palmer. I chair the governing body of Cardiff University, the Council. And it gives me special pleasure to congratulate you all on your achievements here in Cardiff. Well done and welcome to this ceremony. It's great to have the ceremony here in St David's Hall. The acoustics, I'm told, are perfect, and we can test those as we go through the ceremony. I hope you'll try and blow the roof off at some time as we go through the next hour or so. Your experiences, graduands, have been extensive. The challenges that you faced have been significant. First of all, you were successful in winning a place in one of the world's leading universities. You've now studied at Cardiff and worked hard and achieved the graduation process that you're now going through. Well done on that achievement. I'm told you've also navigated, survived a social life that is absolutely exhausting. If I can tell it is, well done on that too. You've had the opportunity while you've been here, first of all, to take part in the cultural life of the university, the cultural life of the city. You've perhaps dipped into the Students' Union and their many clubs and societies. You've perhaps played sport, a new sport to you, or you've polished your skills in an existing sport. You've volunteered, and we're very proud of the students that volunteer in the main in the local community, supporting the local community through your volunteering activities. You may have taken advantage of the university's international schemes and spent some time studying abroad. Almost certainly you've experienced the delights, the difficulties, the challenges of communal living. And of course the friendships that you'll have made during that time at Cardiff, the communal living and everything else that you've tried, those friendships may well last you for the rest of your life. I know I still have some cherished friends that I was an undergraduate with. Graduation. Graduation is a time to celebrate. A time to celebrate with family and friends, and it's great to see them all here in St David's Hall. I hope you have a wonderful day in this wonderful city, this vibrant, exciting, diverse city. And I hope, of course, it's been the backdrop of your studies, hasn't it, over the last number of years. And I hope the city carries for you many positive memories of your time here. Some of you, after graduation, will remain in the city. You'll stay here to study, perhaps. You'll stay here to work, perhaps. You may make Cardiff your home. Whatever you do after graduation, may I personally wish you every success. The university takes great pride in its collaborations, its work with the city and with the region. We take our civic mission very seriously, with the aim to support the health, the wealth, and the well-being of the city and the region. Graduation is a time to reflect, a time to take stock of the education that you've received. I mean, first of all, there's no doubt you've learned a lot of new information, and you've learned, hopefully, a lot of new skills as well. You've taken your chosen subject, be it geography and planning, be it mathematics. you've taken that special topic and you've dug deeply and understand much more about it than when you first arrived. You've learned to learn. You've learned to learn working with your fellow students, working with colleagues in the university. You've learned to learn through using all the facilities that the university has available. You've learned to learn from the academic staff of the university, some of whom are sitting behind me. I hope you found the Cardiff research-led teaching challenging but informative, stimulating. I hope it's given you the confidence as you move on to the next stage of your career, given you the confidence to ask those difficult questions that need asking. I hope it's given you the confidence to challenge expected wisdom and accepted wisdom. I hope it's given you the confidence as you continue through your career to continue to ask and challenge. Graduation is also a time to look forward, to see how your education can benefit you, your family in the future, but how it can also benefit the wider community, how it can benefit mankind. We all have that contribution to make outside our own personal aims and ambitions. The future is yours, much more now than the future is mine. In a few minutes, you're going to walk across the red carpet. Please don't trip. Please don't stumble. But what I should say, the blood won't show, will it? You'll shake hands with Professor Colin Riordan, the Vice-Chancellor, and be admitted as a graduate of this university. Please don't forget us when you leave. Please keep in touch with us. And please be ambassadors for the University of Cardiff when you go out into the wider world. Make sure you explain to friends and colleagues and contacts what a wonderful experience you've had here and what a wonderful experience can be provided for future students here. Please act as that ambassador. Remember that you will always be a Cardiff graduate. And remember that we will always be proud of you and of your achievements. I've now got an introduction to make, if you'll excuse me. I now have to introduce Esther Ivan. Esther will be graduating with a degree in Law and Welsh this week, before returning to Cardiff in September to do the law practice course alongside a master's degree. Esther will lead the proclamation and a poem by Wales' inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered Gwyneth's work. It's there in 6-feet-high letters, thought to be the biggest poem in the world, on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre. Gwyneth has been writer in residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow of the university. The poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University, and we're delighted to use it at this degree ceremony. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much indeed, and please enjoy this ceremony, this celebration. It should be, and I hope it will be, a very happy and joyous event. Thank you. Esther.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio gwellhad y wneud, mynna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive. admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh, then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgolheictod, wedi herchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe hatgoffwn eu cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio drwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddaethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Prynawn da, fel is-ganghellor ar am Prifysgol, hoffwn ymestyn croeso cynnes I chi gyd heddiw. Well, as Vice-Chancellor, it's my pleasant duty to welcome you warmly to today's ceremony, and we've come to the most important part, which is where students now come across the stage to receive your award. Each student will have their name read out by one of my senior colleagues here, at which point, of course, you must not feel in any way inhibited. You can make as much noise as you like. You can whoop and whistle and cheer. All I ask is that once the student actually reaches me, it then stops so that we can hear the name of the next person, so that it's fair to everybody. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and gone back to their seats, eventually I will ask them to stand as a group and I will address them briefly in Welsh. And the Welsh sentence that I will use when translated into English means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. So we will now proceed to the presentation of graduates.
I, Professor Paul Milbourne, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Marcus Valentin Bayona Martinez. Hong Chung Chung. Michael John Clausen. Eleanor Fitton. Nathan Goldep John. Eleanor Hodges. Hasnain Ikram. Oliver Richard David Jones. Sarah Ellen Jones. Jessica Megan King. Ewan Lawless. Fatima Marino Vieira. Barnaby Orr. Gregor Rorison. Anna Maria Squaya. Fraser Wiley. Yao Chung Jang. Samuel Hazelwood. Rachel Ella Aldrich. Natalie Applegarth. Faye Louise Ashton Rigby. Amelia Bailey. Megan Barker. Jodie Ann Barnard. Isabel Barrett. George Barton. Josephine Beaumont. Rhys Thomas Bevan. Georgina Birch. Finn Blundell. Alex Bonus. Sophie Bourne. Adam Brenton. Sam Chong. Rory Clark. Joseph Clay. Olivia Clifford. Peter Connolly. Anna Cooper. Ashley Davis. Charlotte Davis. Lucy Davis. Sarah Dillon Leach. Amelia Dransfield. Rosie Driscoll. Kira Edwards. Lowry Edwards. Matthew Ellis. Emma Evans. Mariella Fahy Wilson. Curtis Franklin Webb. Mitchell Frost. Eve Gadd. Evelyn Gibbons. Daniel Gillen. Katie Elizabeth Gratland. Joseph Hale. Zachary Costello Haley. Juliet Hall. Isabel Harden. Ella Tallulah Hargreaves. Jessica Harris. Katie Jane Bassett Harris. Camilla Rose Hay. James Hearn. Jonathan Helmsmith. Emily Herod. Robert Highton. Catherine Honeyborn. Sam Hooper. Michaela Howell. Johan Thomas Hughes. Evelina Herford. Harriet Insole. Alistair Jenkins. Thomas Jones. Grace Elizabeth Kemp. Caitlin Kilgannon. Fabian Komu. Michael Krysanowski. Stephanie Laidlaw. Luke Lazar. Anya Lewis. Carol Lewis. Patrick Lewis. Callum Lynch. Angus John Macaulay. Hugo Malit. Matt Marchant. Rosie Maslin. Cameron Matthews. Aoife McCarthy. Freya Merritt. Archie James Miller. Olivia Mitchell. Fraser Bindi James Monon. Daniel Morgan. Matthew Morgan. Nicola Morgan. Mavanwi Tyrion Morgan Jones. Jack Mortimer. Eliza Oak. Indeg Owen. Megan Owen. James Owens. Holly Parfett. Sasha Parkinson. Sophie Parton. Marina Pascali. Rosanna Patel. Daniela Pete. Heather Pope. Fion Schwan. James Kenneth Brackham. Antonia Raven. Mitchell Rayner. Bethany Rose Richards. Hayley Richards. Adam Richardson. Nia Catherine Roberts. Emma Robinson. Ethan Rocker. Harriet Rogers. Frederick Brokidson. Owain Hugh Rowlands. Herbert Rumney. Olivia C. Taya Sellers. Harry Shearer. Ellie Smith. Elena Stevenson. Lydia Stephen. Natalie Stowell. Lily Stringer. Ellie Sturley. Benjamin Charles Taylor. David Aaron Thomas. Dale Stephen Thomas. Lowry Beth Thomas. Alice Toomey. Hannah Riaz Stapleton Undy. Sophie Vickers. Jessica Warren. Hannah Westwell. Arabella Wheeler. Amy Witcher. Anna Williams. Joshua Williams. Owen Williams. Jack Harry Wright. Fabienne Siegfried. Sophie Jones. Yan Chun Derek Lee. Liam Middleton. David Paddle. Emma Taylor. Charmaine Angel. Mohammed Arif bin Awang Wali. Grace Elizabeth Bishop. Angelique Carranzo. Peter Crudge. Thomas Dale. Caris Govier. Astrid Gutier. Christopher Wilkes. Amelia Jeffrey. Archie David Lachlan Evans. Noiza Bohari. Ben Newman. Josh Reed. Anita Rosenwald.
I, Professor Tim Phillips, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Faye Coughlin. I, Professor Tim Phillips, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Lewis Clark. Clara Fitzgerald. Jack Fawkes. Hector Huffenden. Margaret Rees. Hugh Richards. Gabrielle Rose Wilson. Nicholas Wong. Maximilian Allos. William Ball. Dimitra Constantinou. Lucia Constantini. Oliver Benjamin Costello. Emma Danielson. Lucy Ann Davis. Nicholas Dimitriou. Spiridon Dendrinos Yakas. Daniel James Donnelly. Rhys Morgan George. Amy Holloway. Bethan Sinead Hughes. Nazia Hussain. Tara Hussain. Angharad Gwen Isaac. Ben Jones. Matthew Miller. Joshua Moore. Katie Morgans. Pijao Niu. Amy Louise Noble. Ellie Owen. Sophie Georgina Quinn. Lewis Radford. Aidan Rainbow. Elgin Lewis Roberts. Benjamin Russ. Jessica Seward. Jacob Shortman. Alice Warren. Thomas Williams. Emma Waugh. Will Dudley. Leila Catherine Sadeghi Namegi. Jacob Scott. Harry Atfield. Christopher James Brooke-Jones. Ashley Froud. Malai Abdul Afiq. Aaron Rajathevan. Fenella Sophia Slingsby Smith. Francesca Downing. Daniel James Edwards. Bethan Jones. Simran Varja. Sefolod Zozin. Harriet Dukes. Hayley Elizabeth Foster. Charlotte Herbert. Alexander Kratinov. George Adams. Anika Amin. Daniel Cullen. Sofia Borodich Suarez. Chris Griffiths. Stavros Hadji Charamboulos. Jamala Rose John. Christia Niahu. Sean David Phillips. Ellery Thomas. Oliver Jack Bainham. Emily May Connell. Jack Williams. Aisha Abdullah. Amy Griffiths. Edward Knight. Jacob Mason. Matthew McMaster. Eleanor Ann Milne. Rhian Robbins. Bethan Trin. Sarah Urban. I, Professor Tim Phillips, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Mathematics. Craig Downs. Shauna Ford. Rohanna Lather. Tidir Lewis. Catherine Mills. Katie Alexandra Phillips. Preeti Situ. Matthew Tandy. Daniel Joshua Taylor. Rosie Fleming. Aidan Kellen Gibbons. Alice Gundry. Jessamy Hedikar. Kerrit Morgan. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the awards.
Would all the students who've just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a rhoddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, Derbyniaf chi I gael eich dyfarniad ar holl freintiau y ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
I, Professor Rudolf Allemann, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Sarah Hamed Ali Al-Sakri. I, Professor Rudolf Allemann, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Molly Wilmot. I, Professor Rudolf Allemann, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Pragalba. Sakshi Astana. Lucas Shi Chan. Kai Ying Zhang. Hao Sen Fang. Zhang Gao. Heng Yu Guo. Zhue Huang. Huang Yuting. Yao Luo. Weinan Ma. Yuki Ni. Monisha Margaret Peter. Xiaofei Qi. Ximing Xu. Billy Stark. Vignesh Subramaniam. Yimin Sun. Yao Tang. Indumati Venkatesh. Difei Wang. Qingshung Wang. Kyrolos Vasev. Kai Long Yin. Kuan Yu. Haoran Shang. Shui Sang. I, Professor Rudolf Allemann, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. George Ball. Thomas James Barry. Alex Fenwick. Lisa Hartley. Dimitra Mavridou. Thomas Pierre-Alexandre Boudvigne-Durance. Mohamed Asiraf bin Roslan. Xiaolu Wu. Shelley Ponce. Robert Finley Ewing. Xeni Frenken. Christy Gosh. Molly Sean Evans. Laurie Appleyard. Hannah Booker. Kai Wei Cheng. Lanrui Duan. Leonora Foley. Julia Jin. Rachel Jones. Lee Keith Koo. David Lenigan. Eduardo Lopez Rodriguez. McKenna Adeline Maya Mortimer Davis. Ellie Myra Martha Whale. Kang Ping Cheng. Musa Atkan O Al Sulami. Laura Grace Andrews. Ben Black. Callum Thomas Evans. Henry Goldsack. Carlos Santillan. Deborah Lentil. Joel John Morris. Jessica Ellen Garlai Pang. Carly Leah Perryman. Emrys Pickup. Tomas Tau Power. Maynir Wynne Roberts. Hei Ching Shen. Benjamin Beniham. Daniela Bernal Salazar. Alistair Brown. Lucy Benbow. Kate Coventry. Catherine Emma Davis. Olivia Davis. Richard Keir Edwards. Sophie Godfrey. Thomas Goodman. Junfeng Lai. Tim Yi Lau. Jamie Lewis. Georgina Thompson. George Waitman. Verity Wood. Yan Shang. Caitlin, my fanboy, Rogers Ballard. Peggy Bokiki. Jen Shao Yuvu. Megan Ellery David. Mia Peace. Hannah Watts. Patanthon Pimol Sindh. Reese Richards. Shoka Said Abdallah Al-Harti. Talal Al-Omairi. Nada Anwar. Rand Irons. Anna Eleanor Saunders. Gwen Rees Thomas. Lowry Ellen Thomas. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who've just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddoedd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbynnu af chi I gael eich dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will shake their hand in turn. I, Professor Rudolf Allemann, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Lucy Baker. Diana Belliars. Federico Bellentani. Peter Albrecht Embacher. Doa Husai Filali. Tara Hipwood. Ahmed Jama. Matthew Lewis. Alexander McKay. Scott Nathan Morgan. Jennifer Owen. Geraint Palmer. Thomas Rodrich Llewellyn Phillips. Najaya Saidi. Could I ask the platform party to stand, please? I, Professor Rudolf Allemann, introduce those who have received a posthumous degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Kava Asad Abdullah Al-Kasilch. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award. Would all the students who've just crossed the stage please stand?
Rhoi'r awdurdod a rhoddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi I gael eich dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
Is-Ganghellor, Vice-Chancellor, the individual we celebrate today proudly considers himself, in his own words, an honorary Welsh person. Conferring on him the status of Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University will therefore, we hope, further confirm that allegiance and that affection. But this is not jealously to claim him for Wales or for Cardiff in any simplistic way. Here is one who recognises that individual identities, political, cultural, gender, can be multiple, complex things, to be embraced as just that, who has become an inspiration for so many who naturally feel themselves to be not single or singular, but both and, authentically themselves, whose diverse creative talents have seen him restlessly excel across a range of art forms, media and formats, stand-up, theatre, television, film, whose journey to this stage today has come through the former colony of Aden, now Yemen, where he was born, via Northern Ireland, Skewen and Porthcawl, Porthcawl in South Wales, East Sussex, Europe, and the United States, where he learned his craft as a street performer, and the global stage, of course, on which he has made his professional name, and whose sharp intelligence, social conscience, and compassion are as clearly displayed in his brilliantly digressive stand-up comedy and his acting as in his outspoken political campaigning, social activism, and astonishing achievements for charity. We welcome Edward John Eddie Izzard. And we welcome Eddie back to Wales, recognising him as a multiple award-winning movie star and comedian, witnessed films, of course, like Valkyrie, Victoria and Abdul, Ocean's 12, and the brilliant stage shows Dressed to Kill and Force Majeure, with his feet firmly on the ground of social democracy. Eddie has said that he knew he was a transgender person at the age of 4 and knew that he wanted to be an actor at the age of 7. He knew those things. His own example has empowered others to, as he himself has put it, kick the trans door open, to accept difference in themselves and in others, and celebrate the diversity of gender expression, to bind together, not divide, which is one of the principles of his political stance also. This has involved courage and strength, as well as swagger. Though there was considerably less swagger at the end of the 43 marathons Eddie completed in 51 days in 2009, or the 27 marathons in 27 days he completed in 2016, which raised millions for sport relief. Well, thank you. When he ran through his home village of Skewen in 2009, he went to find the place where his father went to work, a personal pilgrimage in the midst of an epic enterprise. Finally, what Eddie epitomizes is a life diversely and creatively lived. Anrhydeddus is Ganghellor, cyflwynaf I ti, Eddie Izzard fel cymrawd anrhydedd, Prifysgol Cardiff.
Croewdurdod ar ôl y mi gan y cyngor, derbynnu af chi fel cymrawd ar anrhydaeth Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Thank you. I found that very hard to keep myself together on that. Thank you very much. Thank you for saying that. And yes, I got rather more emotional than I was expecting to, because I don't know, I never really think about what the hell I'm doing. Anyway, I didn't get a degree, so everyone who was coming up and getting the award, you know, if you're clapping for a long time, I mean, you know, you're sitting out there. But I would assume that when I was sitting there, was going to go, okay, this is not interesting. I found it I was really happy for you guys. I mean, really bizarrely happy. I don't know what, you did all this work, the work that I didn't do. So well done to you, and well done to you guys with the big hats, because you really, I didn't do. I couldn't do it. I did it when in the GCSE, the O-levels. I did it. I kept working and doing these exams, and then I said, no, I can't do this. I have to be the actor. It was 7. I saw this play, and A Boy with a Cart, and this. My mum had just died. My mum died when I was in Skewen. I should say that. So my Welsh beginnings, the 2.5 years that we were here, were tough for us. But it wasn't. Mum didn't die. It had no link with Wales. We just happened to be here. So I know it's a bit of a weird thing, but when I ran back to see where my dad worked, and also to go to the house where my mum died, and they asked me, and they filmed it, and they said, why? What are you looking for? And I said, I just didn't know. I don't know. I keep going back trying to find things from my past. I do love coming back to Wales. I ran with the Welsh flag, I think 6, 7, 8 marathons through Wales. So I was very pleased to do that. And I am very pleased if anyone considers me an honorary Welsh person. And it's great to be back here as a trans person. And that is great. So anyway, I'll shut up. Well, thank you. Thank you. Let me tell you, younger people, probably slightly older because you've done all this work, extra work, and this is everything I know about what life has ahead of you. Determination seems to be more important than talent. That's a weird thing I've discovered. You will obviously have a talent for certain things, but find your passion, because if you get passionate about a thing, it may not be the degree that you have taken, but if you can find a passion in your life that you want to work at, then the determination will come into that, and you will make that really work. It is a very key thing, the determination. It only seems to come with passion. So I say look for your passion, because that's going to be a beautiful part of your life. Relationships, I have no idea. Do what the hell you can on relationships. That just seems to be a roll of the dice and weirdness, and I don't understand that at all. I've never quite got that right, so don't ask me. You didn't ask me, I'm just telling you. Yes, determination. Think big. I have a motto, which is, if you shoot for the stars, you could reach the moon. And that's right, dream big. I'm passionate about Britain, I'm passionate about Europe, I'm passionate about the world. We have to dream big. I was born in Yemen, which is a country that's having a terrible civil war at the moment, but I want to learn Arabic. I've learned French and German, I've got Spanish going, I'm now performing in these languages, and I've got Arabic and Russian to come. I just think, you've got this one life. I don't believe in a floaty guy upstairs. You might be religious, but he's not there, kids. So no one's coming to help us. So in your life, look at it as an adventure, because if you make it an adventure, there will be downs as well as ups. There may be a load of downs, but if you can make it an adventure, then you can get through it. So I encourage you to dream big, take your degrees, go out now. You've done a hell of a lot of work. You need to get some job, some payback. You need some payback because you've worked your backsides off. And go out and live life. And when I was training for the marathons, there was a bumper stick on the back of a car, and this is something I'm going to leave you with, and it just said, and it just seemed to be exactly encapsulate what you should do with life. It said, one life, live it. And I say, one life, live it well. Go out, go for your passions, shoot for the stars, you could reach the moon, have a great life, have great relationships. Congratulations and well done on all of you. I didn't do the work you did. Now enjoy yourselves. Cheers.
Good afternoon and congratulations. I am James Wareham, and it is my honour to address you as the Vice President of Cardiff University Students' Union. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. May your association with the university be cherished and constant throughout your life, as you are now members of its distinguished alumni. I am sure your time here has been unique. Everyone in this hall has had to overcome challenges, and that is what makes you the graduate that you are today. But what makes a Cardiff graduate unique? Cardiff graduates have found people from all over the world they never otherwise would have met. They've sought knowledge they never would have gained and seized opportunities they never would have dreamed of. They are more than the papers that document their time here, and they're more than the handshakes that they just received. More than the gowns they wear and the caps on their head. They are fierce and proud students, loyal friends, and together they build communities and make memories they will look back on fondly. Lastly, a Cardiff graduate never forgets the steps it took for them to get here, the hard work that they put in, and the perseverance that it takes to achieve great things. Today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your lives. Now it is time for you to embark on your own journey in this world, prospering your life, your families, and the world itself for the benefit of all humanity. But remember, you won't get far in life based on what you already know. You will advance in life by what you learn after you leave here, because education does not stop after you graduate. So class of 2019, do not wait to seize your opportunities. Your time has only just begun. Diolch yn fawr.
There's nothing really left for me to say after the words from Eddie. Thank you very much. And the words from our student vice president. There is one thing to say, perhaps. One thing to say, there's some smiles. When I first stood here at the beginning of the ceremony, everybody was deadly serious. At least there's some smiles out there now. I think we've had a wonderful time. You've worked hard, you've got your qualifications, you're about to leave as you've now graduated. But I think before you go, I'm sure you'd like to join me in thanking, first of all your friends and family who've supported you, and all the colleagues here on the platform who've involved themselves in your education. So I can, no. Can you stand first? Now you can raise the roof. You may sit. Please, please, please. Right, the ceremony has now come to an end. We've had a wonderful ceremony. Thank you all for taking part. We're now going to show a short video. When the video finishes, please can you stand up so that the platform party can leave accompanied by Robert Court on the organ seeing us out. Thank you, Robert. It's time for the video. Best wishes to everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and the future, I hope, is superb.
You came to Cardiff. You worked. You played. You cried. You laughed. And you learned. From Butte Building to Butte Park. From Talabont to the Tav. You made memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. And you made your mark on Cardiff University.
We made lifelong friends, and we're still in touch. We still have reunions. And I have to say, of course, I met my husband in Cardiff.
I turned up in Cardiff in October of 1979, a very different city to what it is today. Student life in Cardiff then and now was great fun.
Cardiff University ranks as, one of the top universities in engineering, so it's the only university I applied for, actually.
I wanted to meet new people and enjoy my social life, I guess, as well, and I thought Cardiff gave me the opportunity to do that.
I had a huge amount of fun here. There are friends that I've kept over the years that I met on the course here at Cardiff.
Cardiff is a young city and an eclectic city. I never wanted to do it all over again. I don't think I would ever want to study anywhere other than Cardiff.
My English is Chinese English with some Welsh accent.
The week we played England in 2013 and beat them in Cardiff. England came for the Grand Slam in Cardiff and we blew them off the park. I sent my finals that week.
But your Cardiff journey doesn't end here. Cardiff will always be a part of you. Edrychwch o gwmpas. Look around. This is a room full of brilliant minds, talent, strength, ambition. You have worked so hard and discovered amazing things together. Today, you become Cardiff alumni, ready to shape the world with ideas, designs, dreams.
I think the experience doesn't stop with graduation.
Yeah, Cardiff had a massive impact on, I guess, me as a person.
It enabled me to have the confidence to campaign for many changes, for disabled people.
The values that were instilled all set me in incredible stead.
I'm forever grateful to Cardiff University for allowing me the ability really to study alongside my playing career.
Your time at university is what shapes most people.
Always carry with you the good values of being kind to people, being honest to people.
Certainly, without Cardiff, I wouldn't be where I am today. There's no doubt about that.
So let's go forward together. Go out into the world and make it a better place for everyone. And remember, no matter where your ambitions take you next, Cardiff will always be here.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
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 Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
Cardiff is so proud of you. Croeso. Welcome to our alumni community.